It don't get no better than this. So today we're gonna be hitting Wright Creek Falls, so it's gonna take us about an hour. This shit is not for the weak. I'm telling you. We experienced so many different bottles of water lately. Bodies. I said bodies. Did I say bottles? It's gonna be on record, so we're gonna see. So many bottles of water, man. All of them. Guess what? You ain't getting to it by foot, by car, or anything else. So might as well join along with me, man. I really don't know if this is sweat or fucking water. Just to keep it 100. We gotta check the map, see where we at. We back to it. Now we on to the waterfall. Oh man, this is dope. We made it. Bust my ass. Golly, this is crazy. Oh. We're behind the waterfall. This is crazy.